Hey guys, welcome back. The Animal Company game just got a new update. And I'm gonna show you here. See this hookshot? Basically, they added a new hookshot, so I won't be needing this anymore. Yeah! Today, we're gonna be talking about the new hookshot, so let's go. Alright, so we grab ourselves the original hookshot right here. It's a grappling hook, you know, on the ceiling like this. And before I show you this new hookshot, make sure you like and subscribe. And the new hookshot is the Yeetblade. Now this thing looks sick. I mean, look at this. Here, one sec. Let me grab the old hookshot just to compare it. So if we lay them on the ground here, not only does this one look way cooler, like if we don't even count the blade, look how much cool this looks. They both do the exact same thing, but the Yeetblade also has a blade. It has a blade on it, so we can like chop. If like there's like, let's say, like this guy, if this was like a player or an enemy, you could just, or you could like do this, wait. Like that. So yeah, this hookshot we don't need anymore. This is the new Yeetblade. I'm gonna be using this because like, look at this. It's like so good for moving around too. But there is some stuff I want to see about this blade. There's also a new RPG or something, but I don't have that unlocked. Just the Yeetblade. So how about we test some stuff with this guy? This will like combine all these things. Oh! Okay, it took a little bit of time to break that copper. Definitely not the longest, but that's insane. Like, I don't think we need pickaxes anymore because... Okay, before I actually go in there to test some stuff, to see how good it is on other ores, we're gonna go and get a little some supplies because I have my nut shredder or backpack, my Yeetblade, and glow stick. No pickaxes. I mean, maybe you could. Oh, here's the other one. You can still use pickaxes because they're way better than the Yeetblade. But you could just bring a 3-in-1. But I'm gonna go test it on the other ores. I swear if they change the layout. Can you do what? The glitch here? Is it? Yeah. And nothing is loaded in. Yeah, it looks like they changed it. I think it's just me, but this feels a little bit slower. But it probably isn't because this is OP. Okay. I'm gonna just do that. So, oh wait, that head flux is taken. I'm gonna do that, and then this one. Let's see. Okay, what? This is so annoying. Over. Oh, look how long this is taking. Like with just one, like not even using the other one. Just bring a stick. Yeah, this is not that reliable. I'm like, it's like ping pong here. Yeah, not a good pickaxe, I'll tell you that. Definitely don't do this for a pickaxe. Worst pickaxe ever. can at least bring two if you're gonna go mining with these. And use these. Let's see, all gold. How bad is it? Yeah, this is not reliable. So unreliable. We're gonna go in here. Let's see if we can let's see how good of a sword it is. See you, Mimic. Where did you go? Where did the Mimic go? I can't believe. There you are. Oh my god. Get up. Coda! Down! Where is he? Where are you, bro? Where are you? More struggling. Here's the spider. I do not recommend this as a pickaxe. I've said it many times. This is very bad. I need a home portal with a home ore. You know, like one of those things that you can go home. Oh, never mind. Planetarium's over here. Yeah, we'll just take a little trip to the planetarium. Too bad I didn't bring a backpack because I don't have the grappling unlocked. Should have brought a backpack. Yeah, I think I recommend the backpack. I mean, I hate that I didn't bring a pickaxe. This sucks. Well, it doesn't suck. This is like so much better. It sucks as a weapon. Not a weapon. A pickaxe. I keep having it. This weapon is open. Some more coming. Okay, I'm heading back. Back over here, what do we learn about this guy? Well, it's a great weapon, or maybe it is. I don't know. You can see that there. Headset battery, bro. Get out of your head. I'm not gonna have enough time to upload this. These are a great mobility source for multiple reasons. First of all, hookshot. But these are also great at slicing, and look at me just walk around. But these are also gonna be walking around slicing. Look at me just walking around. I'm like a ninja. I'm Ninja Man. Wait, look, I'm gonna be Ninja Man. I'm like a ninja. I'm Ninja Man. Wait, look, I'm gonna be Ninja Man. Oh yeah, he was like, wait, this is so cool. Oh yeah, he was like, this is so cool. But these things are super bad at mining. I had some bad times, but they are pretty. This thing is so OP. I'm gonna be using this a lot. I hope you can unlock it. And while we do the outro, I guess I'll climb up the text tree to show you where it is. While we do the outro. Alright, here we go.